नाम के व्यक्ति ने ए स्क्वायर काम किया, बी नाम के व्यक्ति ने बी स्क्वायर काम किया, तो टोटल वर्क इज ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर. Target is going up to more than 100 kilometers per day. Money is not the problem. Dream is to within 3 years we want to make road infrastructure of USA standard. International players also, some Korean, Russian companies are there. Resolve the 50% traffic jam problem in Mumbai and Pune. Also we want to make electric roads. उचित काम के लिए उचित व्यक्ति मिलना चाहिए. और एक बात जो मैं कहता हूं कि ए नाम के व्यक्ति ने ए स्क्वायर काम किया, बी नाम के व्यक्ति ने बी स्क्वायर काम किया, तो टोटल वर्क इज ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर. बट व्हेन ए एंड बी कम्स टुगेदर, थिंग्स टुगेदर एंड वर्क्स टुगेदर, ए प्लस बी ब्रैकेट में स्क्वायर, इसका जवाब आता है ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस ट्वाइस ए बी. एंड दिस ट्वाइस ए बी इज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ कलेक्टिव टीम स्पिरिट. वी हैव लॉट ऑफ गुड पीपल इन NHI and ministry. They are working day and night. We need to find out the problems, where exactly the problems we are facing. We need to expedite the system, and with that, with transparency, with time-bound approach, making fast, making review of the projects, and understanding the problem from the contractors, consultants, and a member of parliaments, MLAs, MPs, everywhere. We resolve the issues, take the decisions, and frame the policy. And that is the reason that our speed is good. Even in the problems of COVID-19, we have a world record of making 38 kilometers per day. But it is not only my credit. It is the credit of my engineers, my officers, my secretary, my chairman, and the contractors, those who are here, those who are working day and night for the development of road infrastructure in the country. The target is going up to more than 100 kilometers per day. Money is not the problem. Now there are two things, because Vinayak ji, you are asking me the question. There are two things. The one is the defective system of detailed project report, DPR, and where we need to appoint project management consultancy for improving all these things. Secret behind all these things, and we are now want to make more records and going for more construction of the road in the country. My dream is to within 3 years we want to make road infrastructure of USA standard. So that is the dream. Actually, we are working on the system. Actually, India, we don't have the technology available, but already we are working. Our problem that some of the officers are transferred. Now NHI chairman, who was the in charge for all this mission, he is also now going to Uttarakhand as the chief secretary. So we are waiting for new chairman. But the system is working on the system, and we are talking with some international players also. Some Korean, Russian companies are there. We have already taken their Russian companies are there. We have already taken their presentation, and we are taking suggestion from the Indian market also. If the Indian companies are in position to give us the consultancy for that, we are also working on that. And within 3 months, with the concrete policy, we will come to you. We will select the technology, and we will go ahead in this direction. Now we are making Delhi-Mumbai Green Express Highway. We are now from Surat. We are making Green Express Highway going to Nasik, Ahmednagar, then Solapur. And Solapur, then again we are connected to Cochin, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai. This is going to resolve the 50% traffic jam problem in Mumbai and Pune. So exactly this type of new alignment which we are making are very important. Now we are making parallel road to GT road. Now within a year it can be possible from Delhi to Dehradun 2 hours, Delhi to Haridwar 2 hours, Delhi to Chandigarh 2 hours, and within 6 months it will be Delhi to Jaipur within 1.5 hours. So these are the new roads, green connectivity, which are very important. Now I need your cooperation. My planning is 2 things where I need your cooperation, and I will request Mr. Banerjee to concentrate on these 2 subjects, which are win-win situation for both, for the contractor, for the investor, and for the country, and for the NHI. One is this green alignment side, we want to develop logistic park, smart cities, and the land will be acquired by NHI, and we will find out a joint venture partner, and we can develop the smart city, industrial cluster, logistic parks there. The water, power, transport and communication will be our responsibility, and other part will be developed by the private investor. Here one thing where I need your support. And the other problem which is very important, where we can make the economy of 2 lakh crore, that is public transport system on electricity. By rules of business, by which Prime Minister has given me the special responsibility for ropeway, cable car, and funicular railway, and we are the in charge for that. We have already finalized the standard. We have already completed the policy which is ready with us. Now I will request the contractors, the investors, those who are working in the road sector, that highway are exactly the future of this country. Now our policy is even for the fuel also, we want to make electric roads. And for that reason, we are now already giving priority as a transport minister on LNG, then ethanol, methanol, biodiesel, bio-CNG and electric. We are making a lot of efforts of making of lithium ion battery, sodium ion battery, then zinc ion battery, then steel ion battery. And 86% of the batteries now we are making in India. Now from the waste batteries, battery waste, you can get lithium. So we are also working on that. And the Chennai IIT has already successfully implemented the experiment by which using solar power, they are using from seawater green hydrogen. And green hydrogen is a fuel. And my last humble request to all these important people, that don't use diesel for your construction equipment machinery. Already I have a meeting with all equipment manufacturers using ethanol, LNG or electric. Now lot of electric trucks are there. My request that I will plan in NHI and ministry to give you special advances, mobilization advances for purchasing the machinery on electric, ethanol and alternative fuel.